Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Siebert. It's time for the tropical forecast here on YouTube. Not much has changed today. We still have one system that we're tracking, Tropical Storm Wanda. In fact, it's really very easy to see. It's the only thing that's spinning out here in the center of the Atlantic. And it's interesting. I mean, that is a very tight circulation, but because of the time of year, the cooler water, we're looking at tropical storm, not Hurricane Wanda, at least at this point. So let's look at it. Winds are currently 50 miles an hour. It's going to be kind of meandering up and down, back and forward for the next couple of days, and then we'll finally lose some of that momentum and some of that organization as it moves up there to the north. And again, it's in the middle of the Atlantic, not going to really cause much of a problem for anybody. Maybe some shipping lanes and things like that, but that's about it. Now, as we come to the south of this, so again, you can see there's where Wanda is up here. We're still looking at some instability that's now moving towards Africa as the wind patterns begin to change as we move into more of a winter forecast. So nothing here is going to organize into anything tropical. As we come out here into Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic, we see some instability again, but all this is still moving in the same direction, except right down at the surface, we'll see some surface winds going south instead of north. Nothing of this is going to become organized either. Everything else into the Caribbean looks really quiet. And of course, the Gulf of Mexico is as quiet as ever. And the water temperatures continue to cool. Very strong front coming through now that's going to continue to push all the way to the east coast. It's going to bring some showers to the Houston area and the Gulf Coast region. Not really a severe event for this, though, but it also helps to kind of keep everything going. There's nothing that's going to be developing in the Gulf of Mexico, tropically speaking. So as we get into this time of year, we don't expect much activity as we're now into November and it really drops off. I mean, there's always a slight chance that something could form, but the chances become even less as we get into November and December. So that's our report for today. We'll keep our eye on Wanda. Not going to cause any problems. Of course, we're also looking around anywhere in the sea basin for the Atlantic Sea Basin to see if there's any possibility of development. And in this point, there is nothing that we have to track. We'll see you next time.